Hello everyone, we are going to learn about functions in Python today. So what is a function? A function is a block of code designed for a specific purpose. We can understand a function by real world example. Suppose we have an electric switch that has marked on and off. When we press the switch to on, then the light or the fan starts glowing or running. So the switch is designed as, or the switch has the functionality given to it to switch on or off the light. Similarly to that, we have functions which are designed to do a specific purpose. So let's begin. Functions are of two types. First is the library function and second one is the user defined function. So what is a library function? Library functions are those functions which are predefined in the library of the programming language. These functions are also known as inbuilt function. For example, we have used the sqrt function. The square root function is predefined. We have to just call it and it will return the square root of the number which is passed in as argument. The second one is the user defined function. So what is a user defined function? When the programmer needs something that is not predefined, he has to write his own code, he has to give his own name to the function. These type of function which a programmer creates are known as user defined function. We will see it by an example. Here we have created a function named greet. What this function does? This function prints hello world. So here we have created a function greet which prints hello world. So as we are seeing, there is first comment, it is written function definition. Function definition tells what the function does. There is a def keyword. Def keywords tells the compiler that we are writing a function. After the def keyword, we will write the function name. In this case, we have used the function greet. In the greet function, what we have done? We have used a print statement that prints hello world. Okay. After the hello world, I have given one more comment, that is function call. In the function call, we have written the name of the function greet. What this line does is it calls the function and whatever the functionality of the greet will be executed by this line. So what we get the output? We get the output as hello world. This is hello world is coming when this program is executed. So in this explanation we can see that we have created a function named greet which prints hello world. As I have already told, the function begins with the keyword def. After the def, we have to give the function name. The name of the function would be given by the naming rules of the identifiers. We have to follow the naming rules. After that, we have to give parenthesis. In the parenthesis, we can have argument list. In this example, there is no argument, means the arguments are optional. At last, we write a colon. Colon means that we are going to introduce a block. This block of code will be the body of the function. After the colon, we will write the coding of the coding is here, only just one line, print hello world. We have to do nothing after that, so we close the function and we call the function. The complete process of defining a function is called function definition. The function definition will be called, or it is also said invoked, when the function is called. Means the functionality will be once called when we call the function. Suppose there is a switch, when we will press the on button, it will switch on the light. Okay, we can call the function by writing its name. As we have seen, we have used the function greet, so we can write the line greet followed by the parenthesis, and this line will call the function. Next, we can call the function as and when required in the program. So we can reuse this code as many times as we need. There is no limit on the number of times on the function being called. So this is the basic idea of functions. What is next? Next is process when a function is called. When a function is called, control is transferred to the function definition, and when the function body, that is the code written for the function, is executed, control returns to the next line from where it was called invoked. So we go back to the program. When the greet function will be executed, here we have called the greet function, the control will be transferred to this line greet, and it will start working from this block and execute all lines of the function. Here we have only one line, hello world, so hello world will get printed. After this, the control will be transferred to the next line, this place from where it was called. So this is the mechanism of a function call. I hope you have understand this topic. We will continue this function in the next video also.